Is FFmpeg Project crashing because of the audio-video format 56.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. Access the official audio-video format 56 diagnostic resource now for a faster system configuration. This is the audio-video format 56, a legacy FFmpeg module used for stream demuxing in applications from the mid-2010s. Missing versions result in codec not found or unsupported file format errors in early versions of Handbrake or specialized screen recorders. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. If your software is failing because of audio-video format 56.dll, the internal file mapping for FFmpeg Project is likely corrupted, so reinstalling the current version of your program showing the error will re-register the library and fix the error. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the audio-video format 56 file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. If you are still seeing the error after a reboot, it indicates that the application's local file structure is damaged, so you should perform a clean reinstallation by deleting the program's hidden app data folders. This ensures that old configuration files are not blocking the new version of your DLL from being deployed by the official installer. Why are we doing this? Well, third-party libraries are often cached in temporary directories, and a clean wipe is the only way to force the software to recognize a fresh library file. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. A critical reminder: modifying audio-video format 56. DLL manually is dangerous. Without a verified installation source, you risk overwriting essential files that your hardware depends on for basic functionality and security. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. To improve configuration awareness, the official maintenance resource linked below includes audio-video format 56 related documentation. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for audio-video format 56 or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.